Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences KISS, the largest free residential academic institution for the tribals with a student strength of over 15,000, has been visited by many legal luminaries of the country and the world on different occasions, who have hailed this endeavour as an extraordinary feat.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया आपका चिल्ड्रन प्रोटेक्शन राइट का ऊपर सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, सेमिनार कर रहे हैं, तो वो लोग चूज किए जो यहाँ पर आके बच्चे का साथ एक साथ बैठ के एक छत का नीचे खाना खाएंगे, उसका साथ चिल्ड्रन का जो प्रोटेक्शन राइट है उसको बच्चे लोग को समझाएंगे।
The 19th day of March 2011 was a very special day, as a large contingent of legal luminaries who, having thought of propagating the cause of the child rights, came on a common platform and chose to interact with the 15,000 tribal student community of KISS. The contingent included Honorable Justice Altamas Kabir and spouse Madam Meena Kabir, Honorable Justice R.B. Ravindran, Honorable Justice P. Sathasivam, all being the senior judges of the Supreme Court of India, and the senior judges from the Orissa High Court and several others from other high courts of India. It is for the first time that such a large contingent of the most elite legal luminaries of the country came together at a place to show their solidarity with Dr. Samanta in his endeavour and relentless struggle to create a level playing field for the thousands of the underprivileged tribal children of the country. All these judges came to KISS to be part of the cause of child rights in the country. Honorable Justice Altamas Kabir, who declared the launch of the National Legal Services Authority Year of the Protection of Child Rights, said that there couldn't have been a place better than KISS to pronounce it.
The National Legal Services Authority has decided to dedicate this particular year, 2011-2012, as the year of the child and for child rights, so that children get their due share of notice from all different sections of society as well as the government. Children, enjoy your lunch. Thank you.
The air of the institute reverberated with cheer of the tribal students and satisfaction of the 250-member representative body of the Indian judiciary as they all shared lunch together, a rare gesture pledging support and appreciation of the tribal empowerment and child rights. It was indeed a rare privilege for the tribal children to lunch together with a galaxy of the luminous legal personalities of the country, for whom too the occasion was unique, as they shared the same food which the children took every day. Honorable Justice Altamas Kabir appreciated the silent revolution initiated by Dr. Samanta for upholding child rights and creating a world sans ignorance by empowering the underprivileged tribal children through education.
Somebody asked me a question just now. Do you think your coming here will have any effect?
Definitely.
I said, I think so.
Yeah, definitely.
All the best to all of you.
Thank you.